Hi everyone, welcome to our channel B2C, Beginner to Champion for Competitive Exams. Today, we are here with the exam analysis of Day 1 of SSC CHSL 2019 Tier 1. As per the revised schedule, 12th October 2020 was the first day of SSC CHSL Tier 1 exam. In this video, we'll be looking at the overall difficulty of all the three shifts of Day 1 of the exam and also some of the questions that were asked in the exam today. Okay, so let's start. In the first shift of the exam, the overall difficulty was easy to moderate. Most of the candidates were of the opinion that among the four sections, the reasoning section was the easiest section. All the other sections were of easy to moderate difficulty. You can see the number of good attempts corresponding to each section and also the overall number of good attempts for the whole exam. Now coming to the second shift of the exam, the overall difficulty was again easy to moderate, but this time it was the English section which was the easiest from among the four sections. As compared to the first shift where the easier section was reasoning, in the second shift the easier section was probably the English section. And the other three sections, which are quantitative aptitude, reasoning and general awareness, were of easy to moderate difficulty. You can see the number of good attempts corresponding to each section and the overall number of good attempts for the whole shift. Now coming to the last shift of the day, the third shift, the overall difficulty for the third shift of the exam was moderate as compared to the first two sections, which was easy moderate. And similar to the first two shifts, here again the easier section was the English section and all the other sections were of moderate difficulty. So we can say that out of the three shifts, probably the third shift was a bit more difficult as compared to the other two. You can see the number of good attempts corresponding to each individual section and the overall number of good attempts for the entire third shift. Now we'll discuss some questions that were asked in Day 1 of SSC CHSL Tier 1 from all the three shifts. These are some questions that were asked in the quantitative aptitude section of Day 1 of SSC CHSL Tier 1. And here we have the reasoning questions that were asked in Day 1 of the exam. These are some of the questions from the English section of all the three shifts of Day 1 of SSC CHSL Tier 1. Now coming to our last section, which is the general awareness section. An important point to note here is that based on the information that we have, there were no questions regarding COVID-19 in the test. Also, some of the current affairs questions that were asked in all the three shifts, they were related to events that happened in 2019. If you are a candidate who is going to appear for the SSC CHSL Tier 1 exam 2019 in the coming days, we hope that this video will share some insight into the type of questions you can expect in the exam. Team B2C would like to wish you all the best. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and share. Subscribe to this channel to receive expert tips and guidance for clearing various placement exams and press the bell icon to receive instant notifications.